In this video, we'll look at how to save a file using the Nano text editor on Ubuntu. First, open your terminal. You can do this by pressing Ctrl plus Alt plus T. Now, type Nano followed by the name of the file you want to edit or create. For example, nanomyfile.txt, then press Enter. Nano will open and you can start typing your content. You can write anything you want inside the file. It could be a note, a short list, or a configuration setting. Just type as you normally would. Once you're done editing, you need to save the file. To do that, press Ctrl and O on your keyboard. Hold the Ctrl key and press the letter O. At the bottom of the screen, Nano will show file name to write and the file name. If the name is correct, press Enter to confirm. This will write your changes to the file on your system. Now your file is saved. If you want to exit Nano, press Ctrl and X. Hold Ctrl and press the letter X. This will close the editor and return you to the terminal window. That's it. You've saved your file and exited Nano. Thanks for watching.